All right, viewers, at the moment as we speak, the INDIA MPs are staging a protest outside the Makarswar. That protest, I believe, is going to start any time now. It's going to be a massive protest by the opposition. Over to you, Swati, for more.
Absolutely. Well, Meenakshi, two issues that the opposition has been raising from day one. One is SIR and the another one was Operation Sindoor. Now, we are witnessing a fiery debate in the parliament on Operation Sindoor. All the questions of the opposition have been met by point-by-point rebuttals from the Home Minister and the Prime Minister as well. The opposition once again shifting focus back to SIR, massive protest that is being staged by the opposition at the parliament. Remember, the SIR protest is something that dominated the political scenario on day one of the monsoon session as well. Even when the opposition demanded the Prime Minister to speak in the parliament, they showed up at parliament, turned up at parliament with placards that had Loktantra being killed. SIR is against constitution, such words written on the placards. We saw Rahul Gandhi tearing up those posters, trashing them. So the opposition is very clear as far as Operation Sindoor and SIR is concerned that their protest is going to continue. Remember yesterday as well, when the Operation Sindoor debate was under, when you heard speakers responding to the questions coming in from the opposition, SIR is something that was being raised continuously by the parliamentarians inside the house. Let's listen to what Imran Masood of the Congress party had to say on the issue.
हम तो उठा रहे हैं क्योंकि एसआईआर एक ऐसा मुद्दा है कि जो देश के अंदर गरीबों को खास तौर से बर्बाद करने के, क्योंकि बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर ने सपना देखा था कि सबको समान अधिकार हो, तो ये सबके समान अधिकार के ऊपर कुठाराघात है, इसलिए हम उस लोग इसके लिए लड़ रहे हैं।
लेकिन बीजेपी कह रही है कि हम चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है सभी मुद्दों पर, लेकिन पहले पहलगाम पर तो चर्चा हो, और आप लोगों पर ये इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं कि आप सदन चलने नहीं देना चाहते।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? पहलगाम पे चर्चा आपने कर तो दी, कल प्रधानमंत्री जी का भाषण देख तो लिया, क्या था प्रधानमंत्री जी ने क्या बोला। अगर इंदिरा जी, नेहरू जी और राजीव जी, राहुल जी, सोनिया जी, प्रियंका जी ना हो तो उनके तो भाषण ही देने का आधार नहीं, उनके पास कुछ है ही नहीं।
All right, so you heard Imran Masood says कि चर्चा तो हो गई पहलगाम पर. The Prime Minister has already spoken. Let's shift our focus to SIR now. The government, if the government is willing to have a discussion on SIR, the opposition wants to cooperate. Let me go across to this report that was filed by my colleague Mohit on the protest that is being staged by the opposition on SIR.
Protest on the issue of special intensive revision at the Makarswar here in the parliament, and you can see and the other leaders from the opposition parties have gathered at the Makarswar. Carried out by the election commission. Hence, there would not be any discussion on the SIR. But we know for a fact that how the debate on Operation Sindoor has concluded in Lok Sabha today, it will conclude in Rajya Sabha, and the opposition parties now want to corner the government on the issue of the SIR. And these are the visuals over here, where all these MPs are holding posters, which is attacking Prime Minister Modi.
We are demanding an end to this kind of atrocity against minorities. It is not fair at all. These are also ladies. There were 2 or 3 ladies with another bunch of ladies. They should not be manhandled and treated like this. And you cannot just accuse people of things that they are not doing.
Yes. Continued for 3 days.
Yes.
Do you think that the government is going to take action on it?
Frankly, the government doesn't take action on anything except their publicity, their PR, and when elections are coming, what face they want to show to the public. They do not take action on anything concrete. So I don't expect action, but it is our job to push them and pressurize them as much as we can.
Yeah, absolutely. We have been constantly, right from the session began, we have been asking, demanding the SIR also like Sindoor to be discussed. But unfortunately, the government has not decided to take up the matter. But all the parties, including our allies, have been strongly demanding for this, and we will raise our demands again and again.
So you heard heard Priyanka Gandhi there raising the issue of SIR, saying, frankly, this government does not want to take any action. Meenakshi, my colleague, is also with us on the broadcast. Meenakshi, now time was allotted for Operation Sindhu debate in both the houses, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And even then, Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, said, you know, this issue of SIR will also be discussed, but everything will happen as per the rules and norms of the Parliament. You cannot all of a sudden raise an issue at the very last minute and demand another discussion. Allow this discussion to take place first. Even when the opposition, remember, Meenakshi was raising the issue of SIR on the day one of Operation Sindoor debate. The questions were raised on whether there's confusion, any sort of confusion in the opposition camp, or is it a smart strategy to not allow any sort of discussion to take place?
Well, yes, Swati, and obviously when the parliament does begin, we will know, what really happens. Will we see another showdown when it comes to the SIR storm? Obviously, as you were rightly pointing out, the government had already said that at the last minute, opposition cannot demand a separate discussion on the SIR issue. We will come back to you as and when the parliament starts, Swati. As of now, viewers, we're shifting our focus now to other big breaking news coming in. This is a big crackdown on terror, and which is what we will be focusing on. But before that, we're going to talk about the SIR exercise. INDIA MPs are staging a fresh protest. You can see those visuals as well. We played out obviously the multiple reactions also which are coming in at the moment. Swati, if I could come back to you, take us through, what's happening, what's the latest as far as this protest is concerned.
Well, from day one, like I said, the opposition has been raising the issue, demanding a discussion on SIR. And the allegation is that the government wants to remove all those people who belong to the marginalized communities. Disenfranchisement is the goal, ultimate goal of this government. They want to suppress voices. They want to ensure that people who are not going to vote for the NDA and Bihar elections are not part of the list. The government and the Election Commission on its part questioning the intent of the opposition. Pure electoral role is what we want, said the Election Commission. Is the opposition supporting illegals getting voting rights? Is that what the opposition wants? Election Commission and opposition, remember, have been exchanging barbs, with the opposition hitting out at the Election Commission, saying they are working at the behest of the government, following instructions and orders coming in from the top. Election Commission also hitting out at the Congress party, especially saying, why is it that none of these complaints, none of these issues have been raised in the court of law by the opposition? Election Commission, again, giving point-by-point rebuttals to all the allegations that have been raised by the Congress party and others part of the opposition, who are alleging that the Election Commission is following a diktat. The Election Commission is taking orders from the High Command of the BJP. Well, absolutely, and that is the allegation of the opposition. Let's wait and watch fireworks expected in the parliament as well. Swati, thank you for joining us, with all these details. We have